Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Zara haul. I bought a few pieces because I'm going on holiday next week, and I also bought some pieces just as like basic loungewear pieces to wear around the house. I've struggled like how many times to try and do this intro because I haven't done this in a while, but yeah, I thought I would come on here and show you guys what I got. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and let's get into this. So the first item is this track set, and I absolutely like, I just love it. It's just all me. It's just me. Like, it's just me. Let me try and lower this down so you guys can see it a bit better. But it's just a really cute, casual jogger set. This is the bottoms. They're nice and long. I actually got the jumper. Can you brighten up, please? I got the jumper in a large because it was the only size available in store at the time, but I think it fits really well. Like, it's a nice oversized set. I got the jogger shorts in a medium, I think. Yeah, the jogger short set in a medium, and to be honest, I could have got a small. Okay, so the next piece I got was this cord, and it's just a simple tank top and shorts. I got this in the size, I think it's an extra small, but it's really nice. I love the way this looks. I've worn this out a few times, but I've actually worn it with like, sorry, my breath went up the stairs. I actually wore it with like a long cardigan just because I'm not the biggest fan of like a lot of buttage, you know. But no, it's really nice and comfy. I love the shorts. There's still way more room, so like if I like go out to eat and stuff, I've got enough space for, you know, the bloated stomach. But yeah, really nice. And they're both a ribbed texture and a really nice quality. Sorry, you can see the nips, but whatever. I wore this to filth, so it's kind of like a stain on it, but yes. Okay, so the next item I got was a similar tank top to the black one, but this one is just much a nicer quality. It's more soft. There's like a elastication at the bottom, so it sits really snug, and it's just, yeah, it's just a different material. It was in the exact same place as the black one, but it's just completely different. But I really love the material of this one. I really wish the black one came in this this quality as well, but it's a nice basic white t-shirt, and this is also in an extra small. Okay, so the last basics item I got was this really simple tank top, but honestly it's so basic, but I really love it. It has this adjustable side detail on the top, and I just love this so much. It just looks really nice with a simple pair of jeans and a leather jacket, and you know, I can just wear it with anything. The only thing that's annoying me is these the things for the hanger. Just, why is it here? It's so hard to cover up. But other than that, I love it. And I know that they do, in Zara, they do this top in like a dress form as well, where it has it on the sides, but I wanted the t-shirt. I got this in a small as well, so for anyone's size preferencing. Okay, so the next item is this really nice wine coloured halter dress. It has a really nice backless detail, and it's super long. Let me just pull this down. It comes quite far down my leg. Sorry, I can't show you guys, and I'm 5'11", 5'10.5", so it's a good length for me. If you're not like, can you focus and like brighten up? If you're like a little bit shorter, it's gonna be more of like a maxi dress on you, but this is what it looks like on me. But I love this. Fabric wise, it's like a rib texture that's really stretchy. I got this in a small. Yeah, I think it's a small. Let me see. This is the first time I've worn this, so actually, this was first impressions. Oh, actually, no, I got this in a medium, and it was $29.99. I find that I'm normally a size 8'10", but I find that Zara dresses, they kind of don't fit me when I get small because of my bum. So medium is the way to go for me. But I love the fit of this. Lovely. So the next item is this really cute dress. Like, I can just imagine this if someone, like, if you're going to brunch, or you know, just going out with the girls just to do a little cute little outing. It's more like a daytime piece, but it's a really nice sheared floral mini dress. And I saw quite a few girls wearing this, and I just fell in love with it. I was like, I need this. It just makes me feel like a little girl. Like, I love it. This is how the back looks. It's really nice. Doesn't show off too much skin. Well, this wise, it shows a lot of leg. But I got this in a size medium and it was $29.99. I'm gonna lower the camera so you can see it a bit better. But I'm really excited to wear this on holiday. I just feel like it's gonna be super cute when I go out for lunch and stuff. It's focusing a bit better now. And the straps are adjustable, so if you want it lower, you can make it lower. If you want it higher, you can. Okay, so this final item is like my absolute fave. It's a really beautiful halter neck back. It's like a backless dress. It's really simple white, but then it has like this nice like gathered effect on the skirt part. It's a mini dress, comes this short, and I just love it. It has a nice amount of length on the back string, so it's easy to tie on, and it's super form fitting. I got this dress in a medium and it's £25, so it was a little bit cheaper than the other dress, and yeah, love it. Okay, so guys, that is it for this haul. I'm really sorry if I was a little bit awkward. I haven't done hauls in a while, so I didn't even know how to pose. I just felt really stiff. But anyway, yeah, I really hope you liked this video. All the details on the items I have will be linked down below if they're available. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.